your ultimate guide to perfect lip care. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be providing you the ultimate guide to perfect lip care. Tired of dry, cracked lips ruining your perfect pout? Get ready to unlock the secrets to a smooth, healthy, and kissable smile. This video is your comprehensive guide to achieving the perfect lip care routine. Your lips are unique. They lack oil glands, making them more susceptible to dryness and environmental damage. Understanding this vulnerability is the first step to proper care. Factors like weather, dehydration, and even certain lipsticks can strip your lips of moisture. Recognizing these triggers will help you proactively protect them. Gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing softer, healthier lips underneath. This allows moisturizing products to penetrate more effectively. You can use a lip scrub, a soft toothbrush, or even a damp washcloth for gentle exfoliation. Remember to be gentle to avoid irritation. Hydration is crucial for maintaining healthy, supple lips. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body and lips hydrated from the inside out. Choose a hydrating lip balm with ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, or hyaluronic acid. Apply it liberally and frequently, especially before bed. Sun exposure can damage your lips, leading to dryness, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. Protect your lips with a lip balm containing SPF 30 or higher. Reapply your SPF lip balm every 2 hours, especially when spending time outdoors. Don't forget to protect your lips in the winter too, as cold weather can be equally damaging. Your lips can benefit from extra care while you sleep. Apply a thick layer of a nourishing lip mask or balm before bed. Look for ingredients like lanolin, ceramides, or natural oils to deeply moisturize and repair your lips overnight. Wake up to noticeably softer and smoother lips. Certain habits can contribute to dry, chapped lips. Avoid licking your lips, as saliva can actually dry them out further. Be mindful of ingredients in your lip products. Some fragrances and dyes can irritate sensitive lips. You can create effective lip treatments using ingredients you probably already have at home. Honey is a natural humectant that draws moisture to the lips. Coconut oil is another excellent moisturizer that can help soothe and protect dry lips. Experiment with different DIY recipes to find what works best for you. Ready to transform your lips? Start implementing these tips today and say goodbye to dry, chapped lips forever. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty secrets and self-care tips. Share this video with your friends who are also looking for the perfect lip care routine. And most importantly, tell us in the comments below what your favorite lip care product is.